Top 10 health benefits of green tea. Green tea is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that may have a range of health benefits. Recent studies have shown green tea can potentially have positive effects on everything from weight loss to liver disorders, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease, and many more. Number 1. Green tea prevents cancer. According to the National Cancer Institute, the polyphenols in green tea have shown to decrease tumor growth in laboratory and animal studies and may protect against damage caused by ultraviolet UVB radiation. Researchers believe that it is the high level of polyphenols in tea that helps kill cancerous cells and stop them from growing. However, the exact mechanisms by which tea interacts with cancerous cells is unknown. Number 2. Green tea prevents heart attack. The powerful antioxidants found in green tea may actively protect the heart. Daily tea consumption has been shown to lower the risk of having a heart attack or stroke and to improve the likelihood of surviving after having a heart attack. A 2006 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association concluded that green tea consumption is associated with reduced mortality due to all causes, including cardiovascular disease. Number 3. Green tea lowers cholesterol. Studies carried out in 2011 found that consuming green tea, either as a beverage or in capsule form, was linked to significant but modest reductions in a total of bad cholesterol. Number 4. Green tea helps in weight loss. Research has suggested that the flavonoids contained in green tea are responsible for increasing fat oxidation levels and improving insulin activity in your body. Further research will be required to determine the extent to which it may help with weight loss and the best method for its consumption. Some studies show that substituting tea for calorie-filled drinks can lead to about a pound of weight loss a week. Green tea can boost your metabolism and improve your body's efficiency for burning energy. Number 5. Because green tea is a natural diuretic. It is an ideal treatment for combating fluid retention problems and overall tissue inflammation. For this reason, some studies show that drinking green tea regularly can reduce body fat by up to 19%. Number 6. Green tea reduces inflammatory skin diseases. A 2007 study concluded that green tea could hold promises as a new treatment for skin disorders such as psoriasis and dandruff. The relationship between green tea and skin rash is complex. Tea tannin and caffeine can cause allergy. But green tea may cure it. Number 7. Green tea prevents Alzheimer's disease. This is a progressive neurodegenerative condition characterized by a decline in memory and thinking as well as behavioral problems. Researchers found that green tea polyphenol epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG) stops the formation of beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, by interfering with the function of beta-amyloid oligomers. Number 8. Green tea boosts metabolism. While a few small-scale studies have linked an increased metabolic rate to drinking green tea and increasing your lean body mass. That's why strength training is key to keeping your metabolism up for the long term. Number 9. Green tea can help lower blood sugar. If you're drinking unsweetened version of green tea, it's certainly a blood sugar lowering beverage. Number 10. Green tea can be calming. This one's highly based on personal tolerance. Green tea is a source of amino acid L-theanine, a compound that's linked to alertness and mood enhancement. Research has also linked L-theanine consumption to reduced anxiety and improved focus, but if you're drinking caffeine-containing green tea and you are sensitive to caffeine, you may not find guzzling the green stuff to be all that soothing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.